சென்னை சூப்பர் கிங்ஸ் அணிக்கான பாராட்டு விழாவில் தற்போது தோனி பேசி வருகிறார். நேரலையில் பார்க்கலாம்.
Happened in Chennai. I never knew that I'll be picked by CSK. I was in the auction and I got picked, and it gave me an opportunity to understand a culture which was very different from where I actually came from. And what made it even more different was I'm more like a wanderer, you know. My parents came from UP. It was initially UP, then it became Uttarakhand. I was born in Ranchi, which was Bihar, then later on became Jharkhand. Got my job at the age of 18 with railways in West Bengal, you know, Kharagpur. And then I came to Chennai. And I believe Chennai taught me a lot. Tamil Nadu taught me a lot. When it came to how to conduct myself, how to appreciate the game, each and every game that we played at Chepauk, the fans came and they supported good cricket. You know, a lot of times you have that mentality where you want your team to do well, but you don't want your other team, you know, the opponent to do well, which was never the case in Chennai. I think Sachin Paji got one of the best ovations whenever he walked into the ground, you know, even when he was playing for Mumbai Indians. So that was the love and the understanding of the game, you know, when it comes to the fans of Tamil Nadu, you know, when it comes to cricket. We had a very good run. From 2008, we had a very good run when it came to franchisee cricket, but it became interesting in 2020. That was the first years and the fans, you know, because we said we believe in the process, we don't believe in the result, and the result definitely didn't go in our favor in the 2020, and I feel we earned the respect of the men because they said this is what they do. They walk the talk, and that's one of the main reasons why I believe we could came back strongly and we were able to win the title this year. It will always be a challenge, and that's what cricket is all about. You know, if the other franchises were not strong enough, we won't be talking about TRPs. But overall, it's the fan following that CSK has got, but I won't like to limit the fan following only to Tamil Nadu. I think it goes much beyond that. It goes beyond the state of Tamil Nadu, and it goes beyond the border of India. Wherever we have played, you know, whether we are playing at Chepauk or we go to Bangalore, we go to Mumbai, we go to Delhi, or when we have played at Durban, Joburg, or Dubai, we have got the most support, you know, wherever we needed them. So I would like to thank the fans for supporting us the way they have done, even through the lean patch. 2 years we were missing. And those 2 years were the most talked about years when it came to CSK in the social media. That's what fans are there for. When we are not doing well, when we are not there, they backed us. I've always planned my cricket. You know, my last game that I played was in Ranchi. The ODI version, the last home game, was at my hometown in Ranchi. So hopefully, my last T20, you know, it will be in Chennai. Whether it's next year or in 5 years' time, we don't really know. So, on that note, you know, thanks for coming. It's a real pleasure being here. Thanks.
Thank you, MS. Always keep us guessing. That's what we like. The Chepauk crowd, ladies and gentlemen, is known to be amongst the most appreciative in the country. You heard it from our skipper as well. Vandorai vaazha vaikkum Tamil makkal அப்படினு சொல்லுவாங்க. அதுதான் நம்ம வந்து ஒவ்வொரு நாளும் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கோம். அதுதான் நம்மளுடைய பண்பாடு. And nobody fascinates us like the way the Chennai Super Kings do. It is time to invite the visionary behind the team, an industrialist, a sports administrator, and an evergreen fan of cricket. I now request Mr. N. Srinivasan, Vice Chairman and Managing Director, the India Cements Limited, to please share a few words on this lovely occasion.
elected Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Thiru M.K. Stalin, members of the Cabinet, Ministers of the Cabinet of Tamil Nadu, Honorable Members of Parliament who are present here, Secretary of the Board of Control for Cricket in India, Shri Jay Shah, Chairman of the IPL, Shri Brijesh Patel, members of the large India Cement family. I take into account that everybody who has played cricket, who has played for us, is here. There are 2 or 3 greats who are here, who are present. First, I am very happy that Kapil could come.
சென்னை கலைவாணர் அரங்கில் சிஎஸ்கே அணிக்கு நடைபெற்று வரும் பாராட்டு விழாவில் MS தோனி பேசிய காட்சிகளை நாம் பார்த்தோம். தனது கடைசி T20 போட்டி சென்னையில் தான் நடைபெறும் என்று அவர் தெரிவித்திருக்கிறார். அதிலும் சூசகமாக அது அடுத்த ஆண்டு நடைபெறுமோ அல்லது 5 ஆண்டுகளில் எப்போது வேணாலும் நடைபெறலாம் என்றும் அவர் கூறியிருக்கிறார். அவரை தொடர்ந்து தற்போது இந்தியா சிமெண்ட்ஸ் ஸ்ரீனிவாசன் பேசி வருகிறார். காட்சிகளை பார்த்துக் கொண்டிருக்கிறோம்.